Hello, welcome to episode 2. I have done some off-camera. Get in here. No. See him? I hope he's in or else he's dead. I am officially just out of blocks to use. Guess I could just mine this sand. Finish up this one. Oh, there we go. Boom. Village is secure. So, I will grab, I need 2 villagers, and I guess I'll take them back to my place, but first, we gotta go mine it. We need more iron for this, and we need more blocks, so, yeah. Here's the boat travel, it's a village, and I guess we'll just watch me rowing in the boat, just rowing. Oh, there's our base, just rowing. Rowing to the base, rowing to the base, rowing to the base. Here we are. Oh, I don't even have any saplings. Interesting. Yeah, I'll get 5 iron, not even 16 rails. So yeah, we'll need to go mining. Oh, first. There we go. Good news. I have water drips. Good news, and lava pops. I have, sadly, not found any diamonds, but I might find some once I get over to... Oh! Just heading to certain area and find diamonds. And look at that! I found diamonds on accident. I was just hitting the lava just because I wanted to go to a cave. Because a cave seemed more likely. Diamonds. And the cave tree. Oh my gosh. That's iron. I'm gonna need that. Fellas. I've got slime squishes. I saw some lava pop zombie groans. Oh. Where's that slime? One question. Is it? And Oh, there's an axolotl over there. Crystal does not look around. Darn, I was really hoping for one to get out here. Die right. No, next to. Yeah, just keep continuing the mine. Till. I don't know. Oh, yeah, iron. Duh, me, iron. That's what I've been mining for. I was about to say diamonds, but I'm mining for diamonds. But it's nice to find diamonds. Oh, nice. Special ones. Really nice. Accident, because you didn't even mean to find them. I'm trying to find them. But I just randomly said. There were diamonds in this direction. There were diamonds right after I said. Well, I should have kept recording. This is the ravine. This is where the diamonds were. I just found this. These. Hold up. Oh no. Sorry. Darn it. It's only a 4 vein. It is better than nothing. That's 12 diamonds so far. And I have 3 extra. I have 15 extra diamonds. Better watch out. I'm gonna have a full set of diamond armor. You realize what I'm making I'm taking these 2 villagers for? It's for an iron farm. I need iron for an iron farm. I am literally mining iron for Optimus. Get iron. What the frick? Alright. Making a path for the rails. I'm only gonna make a 16. Actually, I'll probably make a 32, so maybe 4. Just because I need enough iron, so then I can actually go and make, the hoppers. And I'm gonna need a bucket of water and lava, so. Yeah, and anything else? Was it like 3 hoppers, a chest, bucket, just 3 hoppers and a bucket, 18 iron. I need to save 18 iron for all the rest of the iron I can do what I want with it. And then I'll just have a farm for iron. Yeah. Oh, loaded. Oh boy. Here I come, village. Okay. So I was just mining blocks because I ran out of blocks, but I didn't want to get the blocks on my chest for some reason. And I could have mined 1 block higher. How many? That's alright. No. No way. I missed out. I almost missed out on 5 diamonds. Sitting right there at my entrance. Guys, anyone, do this. If you have a mine, you're just like needing block. Mine the top layer. If like people are like telling you mine plateau, mine 11, and then just start mine higher. And then you'll just